Hi there, welcome to Monday's market commentary. I've got a chart here of the S&P 500, which was pretty flat for the day. It was actually one of the smallest trading range days we've had in quite a while here, and it was just barely up 0.07, not even a point here. Just a real flat day. You can kind of see right over through here. So not a lot happened here. We've got our oversold indicators with our MACD's low and our stochastics low, meaning that any time now we should be able to see some kind of an oversold bounce. Resistance up here at this 1425 level, and then after that we're going to call our next resistance here at 1375, and support kind of right in the area here where it's at here at 1325 level is kind of a support level moving across right in through here. Again, these are just areas, not exact numbers, but just in this area. So we're sitting right there at the support area right now with the MACDs and stochastics already in an oversold position. So there's a good chance we're going to see some type of buying here pretty soon. We've got some indicator reports coming out Tuesday. Fed meeting this week also coming up, although nothing's expected to happen there. So people will still be interested in the comments they have to say, however. So right now we're at support. I'm looking for a little bit of an oversold bounce here off this 1325 level, unless we have some really bad news Tuesday morning that could send the markets lower. But if we get a little bit of buying here off this oversold bounce, maybe give a small push back up to right around this 1350 level would be nice. From there, we'll have to wait and see what's going to happen. So for right now, I'm a little bearish to neutral on the S&P 500 because our trends our highs are actually moving lower through here and our lows are actually moving lower at the same time. So I'm a little bit bearish on the S&P 500 short term. Longer term, I'm neutral, but I am expecting an oversold bounce here somewhere up right around the 1345, 1350 level for resistance. All right, let's take a look at the NASDAQ and see what it looks like. And here's a chart of the NASDAQ. And after it being the stronger performing market, it was down 20 points today. So it's actually the weak one today. But for the last month or so, it's actually been a little bit stronger than the Dow and the S&P 500. Right now, we're right in this support area. And again, the resistance levels and support areas aren't exact numbers. They're just kind of areas on the chart. And we're kind of sitting right there right now at this area. MACDs are already in the oversold area. Stochastics oversold area have rolled back down, but again, they're low. So these are our oversold areas. So we're either going to break this area, and if we do break this 2400 with some significant volume, we're going to probably see some heavy selling, which will ultimately push the markets down into this level right down and through here at about 2275. Right now we're at the support area. Resistance is 2550 coming across here. So until we break that level here at 2400 with some pretty good selling, I'm going to remain a little bit more neutral on the NASDAQ, where I'm a little more bearish to neutral on the S&P 500. I'm going to remain neutral here. If we bounce up off of this, we should see some buying back up to around the 2500 level, slightly below 2500 level, right in through here. So if we bounce up off that, we should get a little bit of buying. Right now I'm neutral. If we break 2400, I'm going to go short-term bearish all the way down here to about 2275 to 2300. All right, hope that helps. Keep an eye on news. News does have a tendency to change everything, and I wish you the best.